Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Baba Sankara. In the second semester of the law courses, we have been telling you regarding the human rights. A right to life and liberty. According to Article 21 of the Constitution of India, the state should protect the life and personal liberty of each and every individual. No doubt, except as per the procedure established by law. Definitely, according to section 56 and 57, the police are authorized to arrest a person concerned in a cognizable offense or on suspicion. But they are supposed to produce them before the court within 24 hours. You all know this, these are all basic elements. But if you confine a person, if there is any wrongful confinement, if there is any coercion, if there is any third degree, definitely it is a violation of human rights and people can take action against the erring police officer. This is what happened. And Honorable Andhra Pradesh High Court, they took such issue as public interest litigation, suo moto public interest litigation by itself, because court is the guardian of this, particularly High Court and Supreme Court. They are the guardian of fundamental rights of the people. So you can't, the police cannot violate the fundamental rights. Now we are going to discuss this incident. It happened in Hindupur area of Anantapur district. Presently Puttaparthi society is something previously combined Anantapur district. So let us know what happened. So it happened in Hindupur, one town PS, for which Mr. Ismail is the CI. So one person by name D.Girish was reported to be whisked away by the police of Hindupur and he was kept in unlawful custody in Hindupur, one town police station. So the relatives, they moved to the police. They said there is no such person by that name. Ultimately, on 21/10/2022, the people approached the Honorable Principal Junior Civil Judge. So that is AMM, Additional Municipal Magistrate. They approached the Judicial First Class Magistrate, to be precise, and filed a search warrant petition to their advocate, 97 crpc, searching any premises. So Honorable Judge has given a search warrant and appointed an advocate by name Uday Simha reddy as the advocate commissioner. You may be knowing who is an advocate commissioner. When the court does not go personally, then they will represent their representative. That representative is called as advocate commissioner. And along with him, to give assistance, there is a clerk, bench clerk by name Shivshankar. He was also advised, he was also asked to assist or associate the so-called Uday Simha reddy. So, basing on the request by the relatives of Girish, such warrant was issued against Hindupur one town police station. So, such warrant ela untundi. So, go and search the premises of Hindupur one town police station, and if you find the concerned person, produce him before the court. This is the brief order of the court. So, as per the orders, they went with Uday Simha reddy along with Shivshankar. He went to Hindupur one town police station. Out of anxiety, the relatives of Mr. D.Girish, they also went there because they have to give information. Right. So, but here what happened is, Mr. Ismail, the inspector of police, he did not, they went there, they have given the search warrant copy, then they found the person. At that time, there is a ruffle between the advocate commissioner as well as the CI. నార్మల్లీ ఇక్కడ మీకు తెలుగులో చెప్తా. సహజంగా దొరికిన తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తామంటే, పోలీసులు రేట్ కూడా చేశారు కాబట్టి ఇమీడియట్లీ లాయర్ అక్కడే ఉంటాడు ఎదురుగా, పిఎస్ఆర్, ప్రిజనర్ సర్చ్ రిజిస్టర్, దాంట్లో ఎస్ దిస్ మ్యాన్ వాజ్ అరెస్టెడ్ జస్ట్ 1 hour బిఫోర్ అండ్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ప్రొడ్యూస్ హిమ్ బిఫోర్ ద కోర్ట్ అని చెప్పేస్తాం. లాయర్స్ కూడా వాళ్ళకి అలవాటు కాబట్టి ఓకే. సో రికార్డెడ్గా అరెస్ట్ అయింది. వెన్ ఈజ్ లాఫుల్లీ అరెస్టెడ్ వికౌట్ ఎనీథింగ్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఇక్కడైతే మరి వీళ్ళిద్దరిలో ఏం తగాదా వచ్చిందో నాకైతే తెలియదు. ఆర్డర్ అయితే మాత్రం, if the person is found, you have to produce before me అని ఉంటుంది. బట్ స్టిల్ వెన్ ఇట్ ఇస్ అ లాఫుల్ అరెస్ట్, యూ కాంట్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్. ఇక్కడ ఈ టజిల్ వచ్చింది. అల్టిమేట్లీ ద సిఐ మ్యాన్ హ్యాండిల్ ది అడ్వకేట్ కమిషనర్. ఇక్కడ జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాల్సి. Right, okay, they went away, they have written a report. The as advocate commissioner, he has to give the report to the court. He has given the report to the court. In that he mentioned all these things. ఇక్కడ వీళ్ళు అరెస్ట్ చూపించారు కదా, they have to produce him within 24 hours before the court. When he was produced before the court, that man said that he was humiliated, he was criticized, he was brutally assaulted by the police, hospital admission, injuries were found. Ultimately, the matter was taken very seriously. When the matter was reported to the district judge is in turn returned to the High Court, and High Court Justice Bhattu Devanand, he asked called for a report from the DGP. There was a delay in the report, and even after the delay, the report received was, yes, there is some delinquency on the part of the so-called CI, and therefore 2 increments were cut for him. That is not what is expected by the court. Right? Secondly, so they have registered a counter case against Uday Simha Reddy, Shavashankar, and the relatives of the so-called Girish. Counter case. So situation is very critical, and High Court took it very seriously. They said we are there to protect the fundamental rights. When the persons went to check whether the person is there or not, then their police are filing a case against them. And when the person is found, they are not handed over to the commissioner, and moreover, there was a quarrel between these people, very serious issue. Therefore, the Honorable High Court took it as moto pill, and they will conduct the inquiry. They will give notices. Now, lot of rupture will be there. But anyway, if any police officer sees this video, please be careful. So those were the days when we are handling warrants or such warrants in 1985. After 1990, slowly they have reduced. 1993, the Protection of Human Rights Act has come, and slowly the so-called illegal detentions have, I thought they have stopped. But still, now and then such incidents are coming. You must be very, very careful. Otherwise, you are liable for wrongful confinement. There may be punishments also. Please remember this and do your duty perfectly and happily. Thank you.